Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my subscribers and those that had liked my video and engaged with my content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use free audio from YouTube platform. You know, this is based on my experience, and so I decided to make this video because it was so difficult for me to know where to get free audio that YouTube is not gonna flag as copyright. We all know that there is a way you get audio from wherever, and you might use it for your video on YouTube and it will get flagged as copyright. So that's why I decided, because when I knew that I could actually use the audio from YouTube for my content, I decided to try it. But then finding it was a big problem for me. I didn't know where to go to find it. But when I figured it out, I decided I'm gonna create this content for anyone who might be in the shoe I was in at that time. So just stick around with me. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget to click on like for this video so that the algorithm of YouTube is going to push it for other people to see. Without wasting much of your time, let us go and I will show you how you can use free audio from YouTube platform that is 100% legit. Okay guys, we're here. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to find YouTube audio to use for your videos. Reason being that if you use audios from outside and you don't outside of the platform and you don't know how to use them, your video can actually be flagged as copyright. Yes. And when you've taken a lot of time, put a lot of effort into creating your content, and are just at the last stage that you just uploaded that content to YouTube, you just get flagged as copyrighted. That is not good at all. No content creator would want something like that. And how can you avoid it? That can be avoided by making sure you use YouTube sound. They already have an audio library where they have put up so many sounds that you can use, even sound effects. Everything is here on YouTube platform. The thing is, when I started this channel, it was difficult for me to find where to find these sounds. That is why I decided to create this content. There might be somebody out there who is going through that process at the moment, the way I went through it, finding YouTube sounds to use. So like you come over here, you just scroll down and you find out that, man, you can't just find the sounds. You can see, you can't just find it. And now you are thinking, how can you find these YouTube sounds? Don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna show you how this can be done. And then if you click on show more here as well, look at it. You cannot find these YouTube sounds. Look, you just scroll down, it's just not there. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and like this video so that the algorithm of YouTube will push it for other people to see. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Without wasting much of your time, let's go. What you will need to do is you click here. This is your profile picture here. You click on this profile picture and it brings you to this page. When it opens this window, you click on here that says YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio will bring you to this platform here. And now remember, when we checked on the left, when we checked on this side, we couldn't find YouTube sound, remember? But now because we have clicked on the YouTube Studio, automatically the YouTube audio library will be added. Let's scroll down and have a look. Right, you can see here is audio library. But when we checked earlier on, it was not there. You see, so that's first step. You have to take that step for you to see the audio library. If you don't take that step, you're not going to see the audio library. So let's click on it and see what we're going to find. Now it says music. It says music. Let me click on OK. Right. So these are the music they have, and these are the sound effects they have. Now, the most interesting aspect is you can actually search, lower your search to either by track title, by genre, by mood, by artist, by duration, and so on and so forth. So let's say you want this sound here. The genre is pop. Yeah, the mood is happy. It's a happy mood. It's pop music. Happy mood, and this is the name of the artist, Track Tribe, and the duration for this music is 3.19. Yeah, now if you want this sound, all you need to do is, you see here that says download, you just click on download, and this will be downloaded into your laptop or gadget, whichever one you're using. Maybe you're using a phone or want something, or iPad. So that is how you can find sounds, and you can download as many sounds as you want. You can download as many. So let's play this sound here. Our hearts beat. Yes. It sounds so good. So let's say I want to download this sound now. All I will need to do, because obviously I like the sound, all I will need to do, I'll come here on download, and you see the sound is downloaded. Look at it, 2 hearts. You can see it's downloaded already. So this is how easy this is, guys. And then you just scroll down and you look for the sounds that you like. They got loads and loads of sounds in their library. They have a lot, you know. Rows per page, 30. I'm searching one of 30 of about 663. Look at that. Yeah, pages, you know. So I can change it to 100. That means it's going to load 100 sounds per page at a time. You see, you can see it's going to load up to 100 sounds per page. So this is the easiest way that you can find YouTube sounds to use for your project to avoid copyright. Okay guys, let's check out the sound effect. Now you can see the music side is looking good. We've been able to download a music and we've been able to see that the music actually downloaded. So let's check out the sound effect. Now these are all the sound effects they have on YouTube audio library. This sound effect, do you know that, for instance, when you're watching someone's video and you hear kids playing, let's play this one. You can see, do you actually know that that sound that you hear in the background is sound effect? And factory background, let's play this. You can hear truck driving and all that. When you are watching video, you hear people clapping, you hear people cheering. All those are sound effects that you can get from YouTube audio library. Look, all you need to do is you just search for the one you want. You just search for the one you want, and they have, look at that, up to about 728 pages, and I'm searching by, let me search by 100 at a time. And another thing is you can search it here or search across your channel. No, I'm looking for side effect. Yeah, Yeah, so just check and check the one that you want, Look at that. They have loads here. This is so safe so that you don't run into copyright. I tell you, if you can just get the audio that you want from this library, why would you go and look for audio outside? And I forgot to even mention that all these are free. Any sound or audio that you downloaded from this library is free of charge. You don't have to pay for it because it belongs to YouTube platform. So would you not rather use their sound and be safe and not have to worry about copyright than you take a sound outside? Probably you register to a platform that you are paying, and at the end of the day you bring your project into YouTube and your sound is flagged as copyright. It's not a good feeling at all, I tell you. So yeah, so that is that. Look, they have a lot. Look at that. This is just 100 pages we just checked, and look, 1,000 plus, and it can go on and on. You click here, you go to next page, water pour into surgical tray. So let's play this one. I think this one. Can you see? Look at that. So let's say you're just making a video on something that has to do with a hospital or medical line, and you want to get that sound effect of somebody pouring water into surgical tray. All you need to do is you just go over here and you download this water pour into surgical tray, and you use it as your sound effect in your video. Can you imagine how nice that video will sound when somebody is playing it? So that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave it here for today. I don't want this video to be too long. So that is it all for today. I hope you've learned something. I hope you like this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do give me a subscribe and like this video. Click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.